Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Alfa Romeo 2018. I just want to show you where is the location of the horn. This car have one horn here, but they being cut. They cut the wire, so it have one here, and also it have one here. It have one here, and if you notice the wire, this is the wire color. Okay, let me get lights. Okay, this is the wire color. Let me show you. They cut it here, so you know that it is purple and black. Purple is the power, and black is the ground. We have two horns, and one is here. If you notice, this is a color for it. And this power coming from this relay. You see here we have relay holders. This relay holders here is controlling the fuel pump, the engine computer relay, and it has a fuse. Also, if you notice here, you have power, two power, yellow, red and yellow, two is going to this relay. This is this relay here. This is a horn relay, this one here. You have two powers, and this wire here. You see this wire, you see here, the yellow, red and yellow power. This is the command from the body control module. And the body control module send ground here, close the contact, and power come out of this, and it's come here on the other side. Okay, this one here is for the car computer system. That one, if it's no good, it will. If this one here is no good, or if you take it out, the car will not start. But the fuse, you're gonna come here. I believe here. You take this one out, and you look at this place here. I believe the horn fuse supposed to be, I'm not sure, but it could be this one here. Let me be sure. Now, in this fuse, you see this is the blue one. This blue one here is the horn fuse. If you take it out, the horn will not work. Hit the horn. Okay, let me just do something there. Okay, anyhow, that's the horn. If you take it out, it will not work. So that the horn fuse feeding, it will feed the relay, which is here. Feed the relay, computer sends signal from the steering column, the body control module, and then it feed the horn and it will pin. If it doesn't work, check this one here. This is a quick information about the horn. Location, relay, fuse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.